Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ty and in this video we will be talking about concealers that I like. And I will be sharing in this video why I like these particular concealers. I typically go for full coverage, and a lot of people, ask me, why do you choose to do full coverage when you got great skin? I am an artist and I like to create art, you know. I get that my skin is beautiful, but my makeup is fierce, girl. So I typically go for Tarte. I love using Tarte because Tarte is like this cream to powder, and you don't really even have to set the Tarte concealer because it's a cream to powder. So I have them like face down so that the product can like flow, but this is like they're over. And I love the one, I typically go for tan sand, deep sand, deep. Yeah. Honey. Honey typically is too dark for me, but because I really like to brighten up the center of my face, I like to be camera ready, I always like to put on a show. So yeah. So I'm totally out of my Tarte. I don't know if I got any more, but I typically get these from Ulta Beauty, but I won't be shopping at Ulta anymore. Yeah. So y'all know all the bull crap that goes on with, yeah. But um lately, and I'm almost out, Anastasia. Um I love using this Anastasia concealer. And this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills um, Magic Touch Concealer number 17. And it's like a nice orange undertone, you can it really doesn't matter what undertone you are if you're looking for concealer, long as the product doesn't look yellow or too light or too dark. You have to find what works for you, what you like. Okay. um lately the concealer that I've been using, is the R.e.m Beauty. And I actually have two different shades. I've been using this, and this is like, this is 10-8P, 10-8P, 10. Oh, yeah. So I've been using R.e.m Beauty, and it's a cream, and a lot of it, goes a long way. I find myself just dipping a brush in there, just dipping it in there. And I like to use it on my brows. I like to use it on, underneath my eyes to conceal creases. And what I like about this is good. It's thick. It's really good for dry skin. Tarte is really good for oily skin because it's a cream that turns into a powder forms, which dries the skin in that area. So if you have oily skin, this Tarte will be a great one. And if you're dry, the R.e.m Beauty will definitely be a great one to add to your stash because it's really good for you because it gives you more of a radiant look. And you can also set this and make it dry, yeah. So that's that. That's the concealer that I've been in and I've been feeling lately. Yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to know anything else about what I like, for as makeup, or, you know, stuff like that. Focus in, you know, the makeup. I wouldn't mind sharing that with you guys. Yeah, I just wanted to bring that to you. The concealers that I like. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the description box. And I will see y'all in the next video. Till we meet again. Bye, girl. Bye. Keep it cute.